Hello, hi. I am your balloon teacher, Cindy Popaloon. Now, I will teach you how to make this. A balloon little bunny. This is a 260 dust cream color. Of course, you can choose your favorite color. Now, let's inflate. The length should be about 60 centimeters. Then tie a knot. Now here. This bubble should be about 3 finger widths. If you want to know the size, it's 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. Now let's make a longer one, because the bunny's ears need to be a bit longer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fold it down, then you can hold both and twist them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist it 4 times, and this length is 7 centimeters. The length is 7 centimeters. Now, check with your fingers. If 4 or 5 fingers is 7 centimeters, you can use your fingers to measure. Now make a 3 centimeters bubble. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's make one a bit longer. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 3 centimeters. Now this one is 5 centimeters. Okay. 3 centimeters bubble. 5 centimeters bubble. Now make another 3 centimeters bubble. 3 centimeters bubble. Twist 5 times. Now make a 4 centimeters bubble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. It should look like this. Okay. Small, big, small and small, big. After finishing, first adjust this. Combine the two. Twist. 1, 2, 3. The front legs of the bunny are done. Okay, now let's make a bigger bubble. 5 centimeters bubble. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we need to make the bunny's legs a bit bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4. These bunny legs are 9 centimeters. 9 to 10 centimeters is fine. At this point, we need to press them together. Then twist. Twist together. After twisting, make another 3 centimeters bubble. If it's too stiff, you can press it slightly, so that the air here is a bit more flexible. Then twist another 3 centimeters bubble. Twist 5 times. Then press here. Grab the top and bottom together and twist. 1, 2, 3. This is the bunny's tail. Now we can release the extra air. Okay, the front looks like this. 2 legs, and the back legs. Then you can release air here. Release slowly, keep pressing it with this hand. Then we pull it over. Can you see? If you pull it up from underneath like this, it will have a slight curve here. Then tighten it a bit. Wrap a few times. And the bunny is done. And the bottom looks like this. Okay, now this looks a bit off. So we'll tuck it underneath. Tuck it under the face. This way, the face will appear smaller. Okay, So this is the little bunny.